is from Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad center. We are talking in Hyderabad function. That's why he's saying that. No. Dr. Alam, how emotional he was. Try to recall his speech. In each word, in each sentence, while he is disclosing, while he's sharing his experience being the director and what all he has done along with his team during the past few months or an year or so. There is a touch of emotion there. See, they are all bureaucrats. Dr. Hussain, Manzoor Hussain, we are very lucky to have him here. And Dr. Alam, these are all academicians. Dr. Mathu, Madan, Nagraj, all these people, they are all academicians. But look at the touch, the emotional feel they have when they talk about their achievements. There in the sense, our institute, our own institute, achievements. Real emotional feel, you could get it. In fact, తెలుగులో చెప్తారు కదా మాట్లాడుతుంటే రోమాలు నిక్కుపడుతుంది hair rising feeling. So we get that in Hyderabad. खास करके मेरे लिए ज़्यादा है. That you'll understand how I am connected. When there was no building at all here, there is a small shed here on the corner, and we are trying to do the groundbreaking ceremony with then VP Acharya. He is in an important position even now in the bureaucrat, and the minister and Chandrababu Naidu's cabinet in those days. And finally, we could have our World Packaging Organization's president, Mr. Keith Pearson, those days, he was very popular those days, came as a guest here to inaugurate our Hyderabad center. I think, Dr. Alam, none of the centers have got that distinction. This only has got that distinction. Chief Minister Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, both of them inaugurated this center just 15 years ago, 2006. And we are spending days, sleepless nights here, how the function will happen, how the inauguration takes place. I think Nagraj was there, few of my colleagues, Anil Reddy sir, and all the Shankar Patel ji, all the people out there. This is really an emotional connect. You must be thinking, this is a small center, what we gain, what we know. But believe me, today this center has shown under the guidance of, under the leadership of Mr. Vagish Dikshit and Dr. Alam. And entire India, this has become the first center to sign an MOU with the Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. On the anniversary, Dr. Hussain is here with us to celebrate this. Thanks to Professor Radhika also and her team who are relentlessly coordinating with us, helping us also from JNTU. I think it's a matter of pride for us. Now the responsibilities. అయిపోలేదు వచ్చేసింది JNTU రికగ్నిషన్ వచ్చింది బట్ అల్టిమేట్ మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గైస్ నీడ్ టు లివ్ అప్ టు ద ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ రైట్. ఇదే బ్యాచ్లో ఐ థింక్ నటరాజ్ there were guys who got a package of 12-13 lakhs in the very beginning also. I think ITC Irfan Khan and other people came here. There were people who got even the software high-end technologists also haven't got that kind of packages. Everybody won't get, but all of you also can get. It's all in your hands. అది నేను చెప్పాను. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఈ ఫీల్, ఈ ఎయిర్లో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ఎనర్జీ మీరు తీసుకోండి. చాలా మంది చెప్తారు మీకు ల్యాబ్ లేదు, హాస్టల్ లేదు, అది లేదు, कुछ भी नहीं है, छोटा छोटा सेंटर है, क्या देखते मुंबई जाइए, मुंबई में बहुत है, कुछ भी सब अपना दिलों में మనం నేర్చుకునే దాని మీద డిజైర్, ఓకే, మన డిటర్మినేషన్, మనకి ఉన్న రీసోర్సెస్, హౌ వీ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లాయిట్ ద రీసోర్సెస్, everything depends on it. I'm pretty sure IIP Hyderabad, the PG, has been doing well. I think all the people since inception are almost placed very well. Some of them have turned little small entrepreneurs also. Yeah. Even the graduate diploma courses, whoever have done here, they're all excelling, and I'm very happy for that. And all of you, my simple message to all of you is that never get disheartened for small things. People might be telling you, कुछ भी नहीं है, पैकेजिंग क्या कोर्स पढ़ते, कुछ भी नहीं. So these things keep on hearing that, but keep them aside and stick to your goal, stick to your objective. Make enough friends. The advantage of IIP Hyderabad Center is like Dr. Alam and Dr. Madhu said, this is belongingness. The industry academia relationship. I think nowhere else you will find it. Within a small time, actually, they said how many industry visits, how many industry. Why we are all here? Why we are all here? Mr. Vagish Dikshit represents. He is the country's head and also at the board of directors on an international board of the world's one of the world's largest five largest companies, that the Alpra Group, and he dedicates a lot of time for the institute. What for? In return, that's a passion. And once upon a time, we used to really, in fact, I myself in 90s used to struggle. Bloody, we have to import all the virgin boards, and there is no single board company in India which is catering to our requirements. And some companies in the north, Kanna, Finna, Balkrishna, Gilkrishna and all, they are doing, and we are struggling also. And we didn't have a nice board. We used to import from Riverwood, West Tobacco, all this, Stora. And today, the world is looking at the company, our own very own company, that is ITC Paper Boards, right? You must be proud. I think all of you have to request your chairman, Mr. Vanki, to facilitate a visit to the ITC boards paper. I think Dr. Madhu, I recommend you take his guidance. Please go and spend a day there and learn what is all here. And it's not just simply making world-class paper boards. Look at that. I keep posting on ITC also several times. Their goal, sustainability, the recycling, LCA, whatnot. It's not the platform to explain in detail, but you guys have to learn. As I told you, be it plastic or paper or any other material, every material has a meaning, right? And at World Packaging Organization, we are material neutral. You have to embrace all the material, take all the good of it, and how to make use of it in a proper manner, and learn the way, the proper littering process and all, the waste recycling and all. That's how we will learn from the society. And next comes another gentleman. Raju is my close friend for a long time. And RVS used to be my predecessor before, Mr. Ramakrishna. Their friends ignored one of the world's largest machinery total integrated solutions. Learn from them. I am there. So, as many as 3-4 of us are hailing from Hyderabad. And it's a matter of pride for you, actually, like Dr. Alan said. IIP Hyderabad somehow has a great connect with all the people, right? So it's your fortune that you got an admission here. Never get disheartened. Some people might be thinking, ठीक है, out of choice नहीं था, हम यही ज्वाइन किया करके. अगर कोई एक आधा आदमी सोचे तो, एक आधा गर्ल सोचे तो, वो दूर करिएगा. Believe you me, मैं वादा करता हूँ. You all have a very, very bright future, and I'm very, very happy the way, because I do not want to repeat what Dr. Alam said just now, but when I'm hearing to Madhu and Alam, it's really, that emotion is coming out. I'm finding no words to speak to you, because we spoke in all international, like he said. Why we talk about MSU, RIT, Massachusetts. And we are going to talk Indian Institute of Packaging in the world. लिख के रखो. International Packaging Center. Within our board, WPO itself, the IIP is a great force in reckoning. And we are looking towards Indian Institute of Packaging at the global level. How they set the benchmarks. Believe you me, it is going to happen. And I'm connected to the pharmaceutical field also. Just last week only regarding the NIN status. All the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Lab, NI person. In Hyderabad also one of the NI prize there. And they got the NIN recognition. And it will be a biggest landmark in the history of IIP, which we have been waiting for a long, long time. Dr. Alam and Dr. Dikshit, under your leadership, we are going to achieve that, and that will be a big moment. We are going to celebrate it. IIP courses with the JNTU MOU happened under their leadership. The other things are also following suit. Wait for it. That is sure. Future will belong to packaging, will not go anywhere. Any industry may suffer. Because even during the COVID time, when they did not have any obligation to run the facilities, Dr. Madhu here, Dr. Alam there, and Madhav and other people also in other regions, they all braving the COVID, they all used to come during the lockdown period also. But I myself are calling them because several pharmaceutical companies were requiring urgent clearances and all. Because a lot of pharmaceutical exports were happening in Hyderabad, Gujarat and other places. And they needed the UN certification. Without that they cannot just export anything. Sure. So that's life-saving drugs and all. And they lived up to the expectation. This is what needed. This is what the society needed. From institutes like Indian Institute of Packaging. I'm very happy that I am associated with this noble institute for a long time. I think 25 years, almost 95. I attended one meeting when Narayanan was there in Green Park. So ever since, of course, this institute from 2003 I've been associated, and I never regretted because this helped me to nurture my passion also, to connect with all of you people, and it's a great profession. Let's feel proud of our profession, the packaging. Never feel shy to say that I belong to packaging profession. This is what I've been keeping on telling for years and years and years. And marte dam tak bolte rahunga. 100%. Yeah, for sure. So let's feel proud and what the formalities, all the big heads, like he said, bade bhai, sabko bade bhai apna. Shaiman Bhagesh ji. And you brought that. It's not that we are not having that belongingness, but it's always a child's play when we're all together. What to do, what not to do, and really the entire team, Anil Reddy garu, All India Plastics Manufacturing Vice President for a long time, very force in beginning. People like Shankar Patel, Gautam Buddha is not there today, many of my board members for a long time. And today Venki is leading the show. And he said, accidental Prime Minister nahi hai, sahi Pradhan Mantri wahi hai, because he's very shrewd, not like us.
Yes.
हम मुड़ के बात करते कभी-कभी, ये नहीं करते, मुंह पे बात करते. So that's good. It's nice, and I'm pretty sure Gaurav, you have an excellent leadership and guidance from his team, and I'm happy that he retains all of us also in his team. Thank you, Mr. Venki, for that. Pretty sure IIP will be a force in reckoning worldwide, and from being a executive board member of World Packaging Organization, I promise all our help from the international organization, 56 countries now, it's going strong, to Indian Institute of Packaging, whatever help Dr. Alam, and we are going to make stronger, bigger and larger in the future. And be proud and have a safe days ahead and happy days ahead, and happy 15th packaging day, the IIP Foundation anniversary. Thank you very much.
శ్రీ ఏవిపిఎస్ చక్రవర్తి గారు ఇచ్చిన ప్రోత్సాహానికి మాలో నింపిన ఉత్సాహానికి మేము ఆయనకి ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం.